Alright, this is a video tour of our property located at 1105 Haworth in North Salt Lake. This is a single family home with a 2-car garage, 3-bedroom, 2-bath. It's all on one level. We're just gonna go through the front door here. Alright, we're gonna enter through. This is the family room here. Got cute archways. And we do have a gas fireplace. It's nice, bright, and open. We're gonna enter in through here. This is the dining area and the kitchen. Got stainless steel appliances. I'm just gonna take a look through the backyard here. Got a storm door. We do have a fully fenced in backyard, and this is a pet friendly home. Just get a quick view here. View of the kitchen. And then we've got a pantry here just off the side of the kitchen. Nice, lots of storage here. And then we've got a ceiling fan in the family room. Let's go to the right here. This is gonna be the bedroom number 1. Nice, bright and open closet here. And then we've got bedroom number 2 here. Similar to bedroom 1. And then we've got a storage closet here in the hallway, so more storage. Lots of storage in this property. This is the main bathroom here. So we've got a tub shower, combination, vanity. All right, this down the hallway is gonna be our master bedroom. Nice, good size master bedroom. We have a walk-in closet as well. Lots of storage here. And then the master bathroom is a tub shower combination. Nice large vanity. The bank of drawers here. Get a good view of the master here. All right, that's our master bedroom. We're gonna come to the hallway and take a look at the garage here and the laundry area. So this is gonna be the laundry. We're just right here off to the side of the garage entrance. So washer dryer hookups. It's like an electric washer dryer. Lots of storage up above. And then we'll just take a quick peek in the garage. So nice, good sized 2-car garage. We've got some shelving, lots of storage in the garage as well. All right, that's it for our property at 1105 Haworth. If you're interested in this property, you can submit an application on our website. That's at nvpm.com. Click on rental search and the property that you're interested in, and you can submit your application there.